Hello, this video is made for the final submission of assignment requested by the Sci-Fi Lab on foundation design. In this video, the problem is statement was given by the Sci-Fi Lab. So let us go through the problem. In this, first we define the grid spacing. First we define the codes, that is IS 456200 and grid spacing. After defining the grid spacing, we define the material properties. Here are the two materials which we use, M40 and HYSD 500. After defining the material, we define the section of the mat. So first we go to the slab property, and here we define the mat footing property, which is of after full design it comes out to be 1200 mm thick, and M40 grade was used. We also define column property from the previous project of the tall building. We obtain this column property 500 by 500 and 600 by 600, and the load corresponding to each column was also taken from the previous design building, which is design of the tall building. We also calculate the soil subgrade property, which comes out to be 3 into 10⁻⁻⁴. After defining this, we draw the base slab using draw slab and area option. After this, the column was also drawn using the draw column option, leaving the center column. All other column was 500 by 500, and this center 4 column was of 600 by 600. In this way the column was drawn. In order to expand the area of the mat slab, we use edit area command, and here we select expand and shrink, and we expand by 2000 mm based on the problem statement. After this, we assign soil property to the footing using the support data. After assigning the soil property, we draw the strip lines. The strip line was drawn using design strips. Draw design strip was used for designing the strip line. 4 strip line was designed in this direction and 4 in this direction, passing through the center of the columns. After designing the strip, we can see the strip line drawn from the display option menu. In this way the strip line was designed. After this, we assign the loads to the each columns respectively based on the data provided by the Sci-Fi Lab. Some of the load can be shown here. After assigning the load, we assign Fe 500 rebar properties for all the strip lines and also for the footings. After assigning this property, we run the analysis. After running the analysis, we run the design analysis command. Then we check the show punching shear design. From this we can see that as this is a final design, all the members have passed as it has ratio less than 1. After this we go to the detailing. but before going to detailing, we can see various forces and stresses from here, and the design of the slab can also be seen. Let us see in first layer A direction. This shows the reinforcement detail of top and bottom to be provided along each strip line. And this way we can also see in the B direction. Then we run the detailing command. After running the detailing command, we prepare the detailing in which we can see the whole detailing of the mat slab. We can also see the framing of the mat slab. We can see the rebar schedules, rebar tables. We can also see individual slab view such as rebar plan, top rebar plan, all top rebar, bottom rebar plan, all. You can also see the section. This is the section 1-1, and here we can see the section 2-2. We can also see the reinforcement profile. And we can also see the reinforcement profile from here. In this way the design of the mat footing was done.